कहाँ जाएं?
वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
A foreign service that is equipped to deliver on a people-centric, development-focused and peace-orientated diplomacy. Upon assuming office, we decided that the urgency and weight of day-to-day issues will not distract us from investing in the future of the ministry. The Change Management Initiative, of which you are by now quite familiar, was the result of this emphasis on looking ahead and to make the ministry proactive, responsive, nimble and well-resourced to the extent that the national circumstances allow. This meant looking at how we work, dissecting our processes, reducing redundancies, improving efficiency, using technology to reduce time in transition and bring issues to action and closure as quickly as possible. Among other things, this meant greater use of digitization. There are a total of 51 initiatives relating to various work streams of the ministry under the broader Change Management Initiative rubric. Of these, 19 are fully in place, 3 partially complete, 29 are on track. These relate to areas such as automation and digitization of functions pertaining to human resources, administration, and digitization of functions pertaining to finance. They also span communication and security, logistics, career development, knowledge management, public diplomacy, consular and protocol services, and last but not least, training facilities at the Foreign Service Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, despite the financial crunch, we managed to improve the conditions of service by several means, such as the provision of executive allowance for MOFA, approval of the long-awaited foreign and entertainment allowance. This was first increased in 2012, or last increased in 2012, and I'm pleased to mention that our efforts for the enhancement of cadre also succeeded, resulting in the allocation of 44 additional seats at MOFA headquarters across all grades. This too is a first since 2007. It will have a positive impact on our ability to devote human resources to new and emerging issues that are relevant not only to the ministry but the country. We work to ensure the ministry had a seat at the table at the forums discussing issues of the economy and foreign investments, given the centrality of our role in management of intergovernmental relations. Ladies and gentlemen, in terms of making use of technology and digitization, we have introduced the financial management system that is now operational and will provide real-time, system-wide information about our budgetary position under various heads of accounts and missions. This will enable informed and efficient financial decision-making and strengthen our position vis-à-vis the Ministry of Finance, and also help reduce audit observations. In parallel to the FMS, or our financial management system, we have also developed the human resource management system. The first phase of this multi-layered system is operational. Each officer and staff member is being issued a unique number, and they will be able to log onto it and manage their service matters. For starters, they can send their leave requests directly onto the system. Additionally, the mail or dark system is being digitized. Mail will be logged and easy to track. It will reach its destination faster. All of this will translate into quicker decisions, actions, and results. The ministry takes great pride in championing the cause of climate change, and we are determined to lead by example in our efforts to combat global environmental changes as we transition towards a future powered by clean energy sources. In this regard, today I will be inaugurating the solarrization project for our ministry and its allied buildings. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the government of the People's Republic of China for their support, which has made this endeavor possible. Ladies and gentlemen, we conducted a comprehensive review of the ministry's official website. A host of customizations, technical and security issues surfaced as a result of the review. I'm happy to share with you that we are completing the updation and redesign of a new website with modern digital interface with the technical support from NITB. You saw a glimpse of the new website's design interface already during the presentation. The new website will be up and running in the coming days. As I speak of these initiatives, I also take the opportunity to thank the National Information Technology Board for partnering with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the FMS, the HRMS, and the Mail Management System, and new website as a result of this model of collaboration. More importantly, I want to recognize the commitment and contribution of the outstanding team in my office, Special Secretary Administration, and his able team, and all the process owners involved in this endeavor, who worked day and night in effectively translating this vision of reforms in the change management initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I would like to say that any meaningful reform is a progressive and evolving process that warrants careful contemplation and constant evaluation and re-evaluation. I'm optimistic that this reforms process will go on a long way at making the Ministry of Foreign Affairs a truly modern organization, cognizant of the changes taking place and responding effectively to them in the larger interests of state and society. I thank you for joining us today. Sawal jawab mein loo media se.
How I, as a citizen of Pakistan, can be assured that there will be continuity of all these policies, even the caretaker government comes in and whenever the next elections take place? Thank you.
Thank you, Bhutto Sahab. Bilkul. I'm sure that everybody is inaugurate तो कर रहे हैं, अपने काम दिखा रहे होंगे. जहाँ तक ये चेंज मैनेजमेंट इनिशिएटिव का ताल्लुक है, तो एक यहाँ फॉरेन मिनिस्ट्री में एक ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस रहा है. A couple of weeks ago also, मैंने आपके सामने जो है they did not invited all the media people, then आज मैंने उसको दुरुस्त करवाया है, लेकिन PTV के थ्रू हमने जो इसका चेंज मैनेजमेंट इनिशिएटिव का डिटेल्स है मैंने सामने रखा है. आज जो उनके 4 कंपोनेंट्स थे, हमारा फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, हमारा वेब मेल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम और हमारा वेबसाइट का जो डिजिटलाइजेशन का कंपोनेंट्स थे, उनको हमने शोकेस किया है और आपको दिखाया है. मगर एब्सोल्युटली जो की कंपोनेंट है वो कंटिन्यूटी है, वो कमिटमेंट है इस प्रोसेस का, कि जो साइरस साहब ने भी अपना बात में कहा था कि इट हैज़ टू बी अ कंटिन्यूइंग प्रोसेस. और हमारा उम्मीद है कि ये जो प्रोसेस रिफॉर्म का, मॉडर्नाइजेशन का, जो हमारा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉरेन अफेयर्स में बहुत ही ज़रूरी था, कि वो जारी रहेगा. और जो भी आगे जाके आपके वज़ीर ख़ारजा बनेंगे वो इस पे जोर देंगे.
आपको बहुत दिन बाद देखा तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने कहीं तो बहुत दिन बाद देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मिलते रहा करें.
अभी आपके सामने था ना फॉरेन मिनिस्टर जो यूक्रेन आया था.
एक मेरा स्मार्ट बिजनेस मीटिंग होगा और एक अगर आप इजाजत दें तो फॉरेन पॉलिसी मीटिंग.
श्योर.
हमने बाकी में भी देखा है, पहले भी जब शाहरुख कुरैशी साहब वज़ीर खारजा थे उस वक्त भी कुछ डिजिटाइजेशन हुई थी, लेकिन हमने ये देखा है कि उसका अभी तक जो आम पाकिस्तानी है, बैरून मुल्क है या अंदरूनी मुल्क है, उसको उस तरह फायदा नहीं पहुंचा. तो वो रुकावटें क्या है, उनको कैसे दूर करेंगे ताकि आम आदमी को यहाँ बाहर लाइनों में ना लगना पड़े टैक्सेशन के लिए, और जो निकल काम उसके
वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो वज़ारत ख़ारजा में डिजिटलाइजेशन और सोलराइजेशन सिस्टम के संग बुनियाद की तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं.
खबरों का सिलसिला जारी है.
यहाँ वक्त हुआ है एक ब्रेक का,
और ब्रेक के बाद देखिए